Hello lovely people, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this milky BOFLOT or puff puff recipe with you all. It's so easy to put together and you are going to love it. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. So to a bowl, I'll go in with my all-purpose flour. You can as well use plain flour if you want. To that, I'll go in with my salt to taste. Next, I'll go in with some sugar, and I'll also go in with some instant yeast. And to mix the flour, I'm also going to be using fresh whole milk. You can as well use any type of milk that you want, okay? Mix everything beautifully until you achieve the perfect consistency. Today I'm only using milk to mix my dough because I'm making milk puff puff, and the outcome was so lovely. It was such a delicious snack, and I hope you're going to try after watching this, okay? And always make sure to go in with the milk little by little so that you can achieve the perfect consistency that you want, okay? We don't want the dough to become very watery. Alright, so after mixing the dough, this is how it's supposed to look like. The consistency shouldn't be very watery and it shouldn't be very heavy as well, okay? So after getting the perfect dough, all you need to do is to cover it and allow it to proof for about 30 minutes or less. While that is going on, if you haven't liked this video yet, kindly give your girl a thumbs up, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after extra 30 minutes of resting the dough, it has really proven or doubled in size very well, as you can see. So next I'm just going to whisk it a little bit with my hand just to reduce the air in the dough very well. So after whixing to get some of the air out, I'll just start to heat up my oil, because at this point all that is left is for you to fry your puff puff. And so I'll be using the catch and throw method, which always makes my puff puff very smooth and very presentable. So next we're going to heat up our oil. Make sure the oil becomes very hot before you go in with your puff puff, because we don't want the puff puff or our TOOGBEI to soak the oil, okay? So now let's fry until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. Whilst we frying our puff puff, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free. And please do well to turn on the post notification bell so that anytime also I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, so after frying the puff puff for about 15 minutes on a low medium heat, just look at how beautiful it turned out. It's looking very perfect and very golden. So at this point, I'll just remove it from the oil and make sure to place this on a paper towel so that it can also absorb the oil on the puff puff a little bit. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this milky puff puff recipe. It came out so good and the taste was amazing. I hope you're going to give it a try. So now let's see the inside of these goodies. The outside was very crunchy, and for the inside it was very soft, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoyed till this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Bye bye and stay blessed.